Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave tips on the Bolt application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bolt application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your phone number and the verification code or your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the home page from which you can simply use the Where To box in order to enter your destination. After entering your destination, you will be allowed to choose your method of transportation, and after choosing this, tap on the select button. Now above the select option, you will see your payment method drop-down menu. If you already have a prepayment method available, such as your credit or debit card, or you have linked your bank or PayPal account, then you can tap on the drop-down menu and choose these options, by which you will be able to add your tip directly. You can then tap on the select option after adding your tip, and in this way you will also be more likely to find a ride quicker. If you choose the cash payment method, then you can simply proceed forward with selecting your ride, and after your ride has started, you can leave your tip in cash to the driver directly. And there you have it. That is how you can leave tips to your driver on the Bolt application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.